Hello everyone, and welcome to CAM Technology Solutions. Today we will be discussing the Windows 10 2004 update, also known as the August 2020 update. This update addresses the previous updates or the issues of the previous updates, bugs, fixes, etc. of the May 2020 patch update. Okay. Today, basically, we will be specifically addressing the download and the installation or upgrade to version 2004 or the August update. To follow along on a particular topic, check the description section under timeline of contents. Okay, just a word of a disclaimer or warning. Okay. The version 2004 update of the Windows 10 operating system will be more or less broadcasted, or actually more or less come into your update or Windows update. I will show you right here. All you do is go to your start menu, update, check for updates. Okay, it will come here. All right. It will be launched basically to those devices, broadcast to those devices. The reason why is because Microsoft will know if your device will be up to the requirements needed to actually install or upgrade this particular version update. And you can do a quick Google search to locate your system requirements for the update. And this is it right here, Windows 10 version 2004 system requirements. It's right here, okay? Alright guys, so before you start, ensure your system requirements are up to date. You can go right here to your PC, just go ahead to your search glass, type in PC. Alright. And you can just tell right here for your amount of free space. Most of these devices come with a good bit of gigs, good bit of space, so you should be fine. Okay, or in this PC, right click, go to properties. Okay, here is a good snapshot of everything that you need for your device, your processor speed, etc. You have your memory. Quick snapshot of your device. Let's get into our download process. But prior to downloading any update or patches, especially to a version of your Windows 10 update, you want to check to ensure that you are up to date with your version. Okay. That's a very simple command. You go into, again, your search bar, your search glass, and type in CMD. Okay, that's the command prompt. Just type in WinVer, all one word, enter. And there you go. This will be your current version of the Windows that you have on your particular computer or laptop. Alright, right now I've already updated. We've already updated to the 2004. Okay, we have been testing this for a couple weeks now. And again, just working out a couple little new features that some may or may not like, okay? So right now, ours are at the version 2004. It's to the latest version with all of your security patches, okay? And we will also explain a little bit about those security patches. If it doesn't work for you, I will show you as well how to uninstall, or in computer terms, or in our language, roll back a patch, okay, or an update. And it will restore your device or to your operating system prior to you putting that new one, okay? And you will notice if this particular patch or update is not working well for your system. Some folks may try to force an update or download to a device that is not up to the requirements, and you will actually see slow responses. Sometimes you will see errors, some run DLL errors. Reason being is that your device is not basically up to the requirements to this new update, okay? Whether it be low memory or just enough space just to have the bare operating system running will not suffice. And you will see, and it will show in your performance. It will be pretty slow. Your boot up rate will be low. No matter what type of optimization or speeding up tips and hacks you do, it will not perform to your expectation, okay? That's a quick disclaimer about this. Now what you do is you go to the download site, download Windows 10, okay? It's right here. This is your link to it, software download, and you're basically going to the Windows, download Windows 10. And this is what you will be looking for. Windows 10 May 2020 update. Okay. Now this bundle, it will include the latest update for the August update as well. Now this is what you call the Microsoft Assistant. It can only be downloaded through the Windows Assistant, okay? This is the Update Assistant right here. You update now, it goes in. I'm using Google, so this comes in here. Again, this will, so once you have clicked the download now, okay, it should come up with a prompt that will make some changes to your system and say thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10. Exit. Basically, it will go ahead and update it for you. Right now, I already have it, so that's why it's saying so quickly that my update is successful. Because remember, we went into the command prompt, F3, to bring the WinVer command back, and here's my version. And this is what a successful update will look like, and you will see it right there, okay? And this is it right here as well, okay? And then you just click this. I'm already updated. So you will see this on your desktop, and it will start doing the download process. Usually it should take, mine took at least an hour to update. Also with all of the accompanying, or basically with all the accompanying patches and updates that come with the 2004 update. It comes also with critical patches, and this is what I showed you right here. In this catalog, here is the full link to that site for the catalog. This is everything that comes with this version, 64-bit, the Windows 10 2004 update. All of these came with it, all right? 2004, all of these are the critical updates. These are basically for it to address all of your issues, bugs, all of the little quirks and errors that were coming up with drivers, dealing with your processors or your chip, hard drive issues, space issues were coming up. All right, these are all to update that. Okay, so again, it took at least an hour to 2 hours to get a successful upgrade. Okay, so keep that in mind. I would suggest putting aside a little bit of time at night when you're not going to be using your computer. All right, let it update. and sometimes it may automatically reboot or it may not. But once it's successful, go ahead and do a reboot. Most likely you will see in your update sections within settings, again you go and just press update, check for updates. Right here you're going to see pending update or pending install. Go ahead and reboot your device. Of course you press start and then you go to restart. You should be fine. As I addressed earlier, in case you perform the update and you do not like it and you decide to roll it back, okay, all you do is that you, well, first check for updates, okay, and you go and you review your update history, okay. This will be presented to you as well. Uninstall updates, and it's going to present to you the latest updates right here, okay. Then you can either uninstall the program, select which one you do not want, and uninstall. And again, if you want to just install and save, you have that option as well. Just to install the file and store it, you may need at least 8 gigs of hard drive space. Microsoft is claiming it's less than 4.8 gigs, but for safekeeping, have at least 8 gigabytes of hard drive space for this, okay? If you have received any valuable information from this tutorial, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. If any tips of your own come to mind, go ahead and comment below as well. Share with the community. Thank you again for your time and stopping by CAM Technology Solutions.